Welcome to PoPo's channel. Today we will learn a versatile hollow bag.
Hide the thread for a distance, pull it flat and cut it off. And the rest of the row, copy it. The last stitch in this row is on the edge. Pull it over. There are 33 short stitches. After hooking, then hook a slip stitch as a standing stitch, then turn the fabric over and turn it over. We crochet 3 rows back and forth for short stitches. From the first stitch here, insert the hook under the entire V-shaped. Here is the first stitch on this side. And hook 1 stitch for each stitch. This is the second row. The stitch with the marker is the last stitch. This is the second row. After the second row is finished, and hook a slip stitch to stand up. Then turn the fabric over to crochet the third row. Start from the first stitch and crochet. After hooking it, don't use the marker to mark the short stitches. This row is completed. The short stitches are knitted in 3 rows, 33 stitches in each row. The stitch marked with the marker is the last one. The 3 rows are completed. After crocheting, wrap the thread around the needle loop. Pull up the thread a bit and cut. The position of the bag mouth, 3 rows of short stitches are done, and the other side is the same. Finish the remaining side and finish crocheting all 3 rows. Then let's see how the edge of it and the bag strap are crocheted.
Finish crocheting the bag opening on both sides.
Then we'll crochet the bag strap. When crocheting this, we insert the hook from the side. From the 8 short stitches here. From the first stitch at the front here to insert the hook. And stick the thread end. And hook it out. Also crochet short. Hook a slip stitch to fix the loop. Then insert the hook. First, hook the first short stitch. After the first short stitch is done, use a marker to mark it. Hang the marker. Hook the front first 8 short stitches here. After hooking the 8 stitches, when we crochet the bag mouth on this side, we crochet 3 rows. Then from these 3 rows, we'll crochet 3 short stitches. Insert the needle from the side. Add 3 short stitches to the previous 8 stitches. A total of 11 short stitches from the first stitch in front to the top. A total of 11. Hide the thread for a distance and cut it. Then we'll crochet chains. A total of 75 chains. After hooking 15 chains, then insert the hook here. From the short stitch side, there are also 11 short stitches. There are 3 short stitches at the front opening. after inserting. Then put the end of the thread on top of the hook. Press it in and hook it out. This is the first short stitch. Okay. 3 short stitches are done. Then there are 8 stitches left on this side, corresponding to a stitch, and hook 1 stitch, a total of 8. After hooking the 8 short stitches here, then pull the thread and cut it off. We need to start from this side and hook to this end, and then the middle, when we are crocheting here, is such a space. We can crochet a single crochet in the space of the slip stitch. First, enter the needle from the smallest space and hook a short stitch. Then in the long 7-chain stitch space here. When crocheting, you can hold both ends like this. Then from the middle, we can crochet a short stitch. Then enter the needle at the next 7-chain stitches. First, hook like this to hook a short stitch. After hooking this side, it will look like this. From the bottom to the mouth of the bag, there are also 11 short stitches. Here are 8 short stitches. Here are 8 short stitches and 3 short stitches at the end. There are 11 short stitches in total. Finish it and it's the same as the other side and hook 75 chains. After you finish the 75 chains, then insert the hook into this side and then hook the short needle end over. There are also 11 short stitches. Here is 1 short stitch. Hook it up. Then from the space of the lock stitch, 1 slip stitch in the space of the lock stitch. After hooking here, then hook to it, where we just marked with a safety pin, the first stitch. This round is completed. We need to crochet 4 rounds in total. This is the first round. In the last small space, we'll crochet after hooking a short stitch. Then insert the hook into the stitch of the marker and connect them with a slip stitch. After connecting them, and hook a slip stitch as the standing stitch for the next round. Then, in the corresponding stitch, and hook a short stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch from the slip stitch, and hook a short stitch. Then, mark this marker button from the bottom of the V-shaped stitch. This is the first stitch of the second round. Then, in the corresponding stitch, and hook a short stitch. The first 11 stitches are completed. Then come to the slip stitch. When we crochet the slip stitch, then from the back of the V-shaped, insert the hook into the stitch from the back of and hook, turn it over. Then from the back of this, the horizontal line of the inside to insert the hook. And do the same, 1 stitch and 1 stitch. After hooking the front stitch, then pick up the next thread and insert the hook. Also hook a short stitch. Finish this row of crocheting like this. Okay, here are 75 chain stitches and hook 1 short stitch in each stitch. It's already done. Then to the short stitch needle. It's the same here. 11 short stitches on each side. 1 stitch corresponds to 1 stitch. after hooking 11 stitches,
To crochet the short stitches in the space of the lock stitches. Here, we also hook in the same way.
1 stitch corresponds to 1 short stitch. Hook to this side, and the same for the lock stitch, not on the side of the V-shaped. Turn it over like this, from the back of this inner mountain stitch, to hook a stitch, and hook a short stitch. This round is completed. Then hook it to the marker button here. After hooking to the marker, then this is the second round. Pull up from the stitch of the marker. Then hook a standing stitch. Continue to insert the hook for the third round. On the first stitch, mark it. And crochet a total of 4 rounds. We have already crocheted 2 rounds.
Then you should crochet short stitches correspondingly.
Start from the back, 1 stitch at a time, and hook a short stitch correspondingly. The front bag strap is the same, just from here. Enter the needle from the bottom of the V-shaped and crochet for rounds of short stitches. After the 4th round is completed, then we'll look at the final end. This round is the 4th round and it's already finished. After the knitting is done, then we take off the marker, the thread on this end of the marker pin, and cut it a little longer. Use a large needle to thread the end through. And pass it. Stitch from the front. Then go back to the last stitch and pass it through the loop of the last stitch. Pass the loop below through both sides. And pull it together. It will naturally connect together here. Then the end of the thread, press it into the lower loop inside. Do it several times. Cut off the thread. Then the whole bag is finished crocheting. After crocheting the entire, then stick this cartoon cloth here and stick it in the middle here and stick it in the middle. Then count from both sides to the middle. It's probably here. In this way, fix the cartoon fabric patch on it and fix it in place. Okay, this tutorial of the mesh bag is over here. If you still have any questions, just replay and watch it again.